Good morning and Jane to all. Today we start our next chapter is determinant. Determinant is actually a continuation of our last chapter matrices. It's also a very important chapter. It's a very simple chapter. First of all, define what is a determinant. That means we convert a square matrix into a particular number. That means we can associate a number using a square matrix. That is, which is possible. Determinant is possible only in square matrices. The rectangle matrix or any other matrix, determinant is not possible. You can convert a matrix into a single value. That is all. Determinant. That is all. There is no other definition. Here in this chapter, we will discuss the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix. That is enough. 4 by 4 matrix. Syllabus include ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല സോ അതിന് വലിയ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. First of all, we discuss determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. How to find determinant value of a 2 by 2 matrices. Actually, determinant of a 1 by 1 matrix, first suppose you take A is equal to a matrix A, then determinant of A, if denoted by the symbols, it's not a modulus value, it's a determinant, it's a process. That is bit of A is equal to answer is A. Suppose you take A is equal to, or sorry, B is equal to, you take another element minus A, then dit of B is equal to dit of minus A is also minus A, not a plus A, it's not a modulus value. So determinant means matrix is converted into a single value. There is no importance given to 2 by 1 by 1 matrices. So we discuss only 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. First of all, discuss about 2 by 2 determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. How to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix? It's a very simple portion. Suppose you take a matrix A, B, C and D. And how to find the determinant of A? The symbol is dictate. It's a symbol. Is equal to determinant of A, B, C and D. You multiply the principal diagonal elements minus off diagonal elements. Okay? That is equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Product of A into D minus B into C. Multiply the principal diagonal elements minus off diagonal. AD minus BC. That's all. For example, A is equal to matrix 3, 2, minus 1, 5. Find dit A. That is dit of A is equal to dit of 3, 2, minus 1, 5. Is equal to, first of all you find product, right left minus left right. First of all you multiply the principal diagonal element, that is 3 into 5 is 15. Minus, the rule minus. 1 into minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus or minus plus 2, answer is 17. That's all. So, determinant value of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay? Now discuss determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. How to find determinant value of a 3 by 3 matrix? It's also very simple. First of all, you select a matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. How to find dit value of A? That dit of A, the symbol dit of A, is equal to determinant of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Here, first you select the first element A. Then A into A corresponding row and A corresponding row column delete here. First you select the element A, then we delete A corresponding row and column delete here. balance element digit value. Balance element means EFHI. EFHI. Then rule says that next term is negative. Minus is like second element D. Then the corresponding row and column delete. Balance elements D, F, G, I. Then find the digit value of balance element. Then again plus. Alternatively sign digit value. Plus, minus. Then last digit is like last element C. Corresponding row and column deleted. Balance element D, E, G, H. That is equal to A into the digit value. You know already know 2 by 2 digit value. Principal diagonal minus half diagonal. That is E into I minus H into F. Minus B into D into I minus G into F. And last plus C into DH minus GE. On simplifying these, we get the determinant value of these matrices. Okay, these are the main step. A into corresponding row and column delete, balance element EF HI digit value. Minus B into corresponding row and column delete, balance element DF GI digit value. And last plus C into corresponding row and column delete, balance element DGH digit value. And therefore A into EI minus HF minus B into DI minus GF plus C into DH minus G. Now discuss some problems based on this topic. Determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. A is equal to, select a first matrix 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Find, our question, find dt. Okay. Det of A is equal to determinant of 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Is equal to first element is 1. First is like first element. Then corresponding row and column delete. Balance element digit value. Balance element is 3, 1, 2, 1. Then sign negative. Second element is here, that is 2. And corresponding row and column delete. Balance element 0, 1, 3, 1. Then third element is minus 1. Corresponding row and column delete 0, 3, 3, 2. Now we find the digit value 1 into 3 minus 2. Minus 2 into 0 minus 3. Principal diagonal minus half diagonal. And last minus 1 into 0 minus 9. 2 into 0 minus 3 into 3, 9. 3 minus 2, answer is 1. 0 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2, answer 6. 0 minus 9 minus 9. Minus 9 to minus 1 is plus 9. That is equal to, we get answer 16. That's all. We convert the 3 by 3 matrix into a single value. That is, I mean a single number, that is 16. Okay. Now discuss one more question. B is equal to 1 minus 5 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Find digit B. Okay. For digit of B equal to digit B equal to digit 1 minus 5 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 0, 1 is equal to 1 into corresponding row and column delete 5 minus 1, 1, 1. Then sign minus. Select the second number minus 5, minus 1, minus plus 5. Corresponding row and column delete 3 minus 1, 0, 1. Then select last element 2. Corresponding row and column delete 3, 5, 0, 1. That is equal to 1 into 5 minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus plus 1. Plus 5 into 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 0 into minus 1 is 0. And last plus 2 into 3. Principal diagonal minus half diagonal minus 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 minus 0 is again 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Equal to 12 plus 15, that is 27. Okay, that's all. It's a very important section. Now discuss one more questions using this the concept of determinant. The question is solve determinant 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to determinant 2x 4 6x. Solve 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to 2x 4 6x. That means solving we find the value of x. First of all, we find the literal value of this matrix, that is 2 into 1 2 minus 5 into 4 is 20. Here 2x into x is 2x square minus 6 into 4 24. That is minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24, or 2x square minus 24 is equal to minus 18. Therefore 2x square is equal to 24 minus 18. Minus 24 right side over, we get to plus 24. That is 2x square is equal to 24 minus 18 6. X square is equal to 3. And we get answer x is equal to plus or minus root 3. These are some important questions based on the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and a determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now next video we will discuss applications of determinant. Okay, that's all. Bye.